Yeah, hey, it's Paul here. Now, in this video, I want to talk about how to find your Forex trading style. Let's face it, there's a million and one strategies out there. We've all seen them. All the different traders are pushing their strategy on you. And I want to talk about why what might be good for somebody else isn't the best fit for you. And if you stay to the end, I'm going to tell you which strategy I trade and why. So stay tuned for that. So as we've said, there isn't a one style fits all. So what trading style is best for you? Is it scalping? Well, a lot of it is going to be based on how much free time you have and how much time you actually want to spend in front of the charts. What lifestyle is it that you're looking to create in your trading? And there's a whole bunch of factors in your life that are going to affect what and how you want to trade. Okay. So really, there's kind of three types of traders. You've got the scalpers, which are trading lower time frames. I would say 1 minute, 5 minute, even 15-minute could be classed as scalping, depending on your strategy. You've got day trading, which is kind of 1 hour, 2 hour, maybe up to the 4 hour. And then you've got swing trading, again, which is kind of 4 hour daily. And all of this depends on the time that you've got and the time that you want to spend on the chart. So which one is best for you? So if you want to be sat in front of the charts for 3-4 hours a day, just literally waiting for setups, then scalping is for you. A lot of people I know trade the 1 minute, the 5 minute charts, but you can't be anywhere else but on the charts. You have to be on the charts waiting for those setups. Now, if you want to be kind of checking in on the charts, maybe a few times a day, see what's going on, see if there's any setups, then you could be trading the 30 minute, the 1 hour, even the 2 hour on a day trading strategy. But for this, you're going to be needing to check in on the charts probably 2 or 3 times a day. And if you want to trade by just looking at the charts, maybe once a day, maybe twice a day, then swing trading is for you. Personally, I trade this strategy, okay? I'm a swing trader. I trade the 4 hour and the daily because I don't want to be sat on the charts all day. One of the reasons I got into trading was for that time freedom, okay? Now I've got other businesses that I run. I've got other things that I do. I do not want to be sat on the charts for 3-4 hours a day. Now I just find it a lot more relaxed this way. Trade the 4 hour charts. You're not jumping into setups as soon as they happen because you might miss them. You've got time to look at the charts. You've got time to see the setups and you've got time to actually get in and plan those trades effectively. Now, if you want to find out more about trading and the swing trading strategy that I trade, click on the link in the description. You can head over to the free community. It's brand new. I've just created it. So head over to that community, come on in, go through the steps, and you can find out more about trading, what I trade, how I trade, and all the rest of it. So click the button in the description, and I look forward to seeing you in the community real soon. Take care.